You didn't see, right? That's okay. Maybe amazed? Surprised? He's smiling, you know? It's so cute. You want to take a picture of him? Okay? Okay. Now just tell me the 3 numbers on the mic, please. 777. Oh my God. Ah! You know, like since you are a visual communication student, so was it your friend? What's her name? Cousin. Yeah, she seemed to be like very excited. I don't know why. Okay, I'm not going to disappear. Huh? Tell everyone like how many times did I touch you? 4. So, thank you guys. Like thanks for the 4 people who are clapped. You know why they are laughing? Why they are clapping? Was I touching her at all? No. Visual communication student. You know? It happens. Alright, keep concentrating. Keep concentrating on your words, you know, like keep repeating over and over. Let me try to read it out. You know? Just close your eyes. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Arun. You're phenomenal as usual. You can never make us not enjoy your act. Thank you.
I'm Geeta. I've seen your show just now in the Wild Tribe branch. It's outstanding. You've done a great job. I really had a great experience. Thank you. Hi, this is Shweta. And we are here at Wild Tribe Ranch, and we're privileged enough to watch Arun the Mentalist performing over here. It's been one of the best shows I've seen in a long time by a mentalist, and he can actually compare to one of the bigger mentalists who travel all over the world and do their shows. I'm sure he has a long way to go, and we'll surely see him in that platform soon. Thank you.
I don't know how you did that shit.
Seriously?
Box and that, you know, $20,000, Sonu, $20,000, and Bali. Awesome.
Super.
You really get us mentalist.
Guys, everybody log into www.arunthementalist.com. Super. Super. Rock.